I'm going to show you how to get over 100% APR staking the Juno token with no impermanent loss. How does that sound? Good? Let's go. Okay, to get started, we're going to go to stakeeasy.finance, and at the home page, we're going to hit get started. It's going to come down and show us our options. There's secret liquid staking, Juno. You're going to have Elrond eventually, which is cool. Cosmos, it'll be the Atom token, liquid Atom staking, and then Osmosis. Before we go ahead and get our Juno tokens staked, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any high APY plays in the future. Also, drop a like below. It really helped me out and helped the channel out. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and stake our Juno tokens. You'll need a Kepler wallet or a Juno compatible wallet of some kind. And if we hit stake Juno, it'll take us to this dashboard. I already tried it and I did stake one Juno token just to see how it worked. I'm just gonna do, let's see, I've got 3.67 here, so I'm gonna stake 1.5. And by staking 1.5, that's leaving us enough to pair our liquidity. So we'll have half staked Juno and half Juno to go into our liquidity pool for our second step of this process. So the 1.5 Juno will turn into 1.39 stake Juno. Because if we remember from other staking projects or liquid staking projects, that the token increases in value as time progresses. Okay, so we'll hit stake. Then it'll ask us to confirm a transaction in our wallet. And once that's done, which takes only a few seconds, it'll show our staked Juno on the balances on the right-hand side of the screen here. Before we do the second step, I wanted to take a look at the price chart for Juno, which it's crazy how low it is right now. I know we're in the middle of a bear market, but we're at $3.79. The all-time high is way up here at I think it's about $45.51. So yeah, from where it is now to all-time high, that's over a 10x, and it's a really good project in my opinion. And a lot of what the Cosmos ecosystem is doing is fantastic. The liquid staking, there's a lot of really good APRs, and I think that Cosmos in general the ecosystem has a really bright future, and I'm super bullish on it. It's one of my favorite projects. Okay, to get the extra APR, we're gonna go to provide liquidity on JunoSwap. So it's on junoswap.com. And JunoSwap's a really cool site. It's got obviously a swap. You can swap to a bunch of different Cosmos ecosystem tokens, stablecoins, a lot of the ecosystem tokens, secret token, NADA token. There's a bunch of them. But we're going to go over here and we're going to go to liquidity. And when we get here, we're going to find, I had already done a trial run to make sure this worked before I did the video to do the liquidity pool. There's a bunch of different really good ones in here though. Juno Atom's paying 64% APR. Juno and then USDC is over 100% by itself. There's quite a few on here that you could do. The Juno SEZ, which is the Stake Easy token, is almost 200% right now, which is amazing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add liquidity to the Stake Juno pool. We click on that, then it's going to go. We're going to go to the bottom here where it says Manage Liquidity. We're going to click on that, and then they have a function down here where you could provide max liquidity. So that'll add all of our Stake Easy Stake Juno token. So we'll click on that. Hit Add Liquidity. There's going to be a tiny transaction fee, less than a penny. We'll let that go through. Once that goes through, then we're going to have to actually deposit the tokens. Okay, it says add successful. So now we're going to have to bond the token. So if we hit manage bonding, and then we're going to want to stake 100%. And then that with the 1.39 stake easy and then the 1.47 Juno tokens, it's $10. So, yeah, like in the middle of the bull run, that was over $100. Crazy. Okay, we're going to hit bond. It's going to have one more small transaction fee. We're going to hit approve. So we're getting the 80-something% of the stake easy liquid staking APR. Plus, when we bring it over here, then we're getting, I believe it's another 85.58% on the entire liquidity token, liquidity pair. So 86.284% on half of the liquidity pair, which is the stake Juno, and then 85.57% APR on the entire liquidity pair. So this has got some great rewards to stack Cosmos ecosystem tokens over the bear market. This is one of my favorite projects. Cosmos is one of my favorite ecosystems. So Juno, Atom, and Secret I'm doing as well. And there's some other new ones that we're getting airdrops from that look pretty promising for the future. And a lot of the real degen plays that I have on my channel, you know, that have this super high, like 1.5%, like Stable Fund and some of the others, you know, they're great projects for now. I don't know how long they're going to last, but a lot of that, I'm taking those funds and I'm bringing them over to the blue chip projects. That's my strategy, is to stack blue chips for the bear market. So I hope you like this video. I'll continue to do more Cosmos videos in the future. And any airdrops that I find, I'll update either on a YouTube short or I'll do a full video for them at least once a month. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a like below if you like Cosmos and the Cosmos ecosystem. Thank you for watching as always. Have a great day.